Dang, baby. Just barely made it to the top.
Oh, yeah.
Trevin's already setting layers. Oh, out of shape. Taking a track ride right now. Heck yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah.
25-8, let's go. Oh, yeah. It is not looking so promising. Oh, it's muddy. You got the wall right there. Aiden! Oh, he's over there. Oh crap, bro. Dude, imagine hitting this thing with muddy tires. Man, this doesn't look too bad though. It's like sticky, but it's not.
I was riding. I was coming right here and there was snow on it and I slid off.
Right there? Oh yeah. You got some nice little lips right there.
This part's super fun.
It's a nice 10 feet right there.
He's already done it.
Looks like they landed though. I don't even know. What the sketch, bro. Aiden, I dare you to hit this.
I wouldn't get enough speed for the snow.
What?
Dude, I wouldn't get enough speed.
I think that's an excuse.
No, it is.
We out here on this grind. Right, Trevin? Look at that baby, man.
Soft enough to get through it.
You know what they say, no dig, no ride. We're busting over here. Butter. This dude's a genius.
Actually, this is my first real dig.
Oh yeah, baby, smooth.
There you go. Oh shoot.
Oh.
Oh shoot.
Oh. You get bucked off, you gotta get back on. Please wreck. Come on. Case. Buddy Len. Totally. Well, here he is, Mountain Bike Fanatics of Utah. Go give him a follow on Facebook. Thanks, dog.
Yeah.
Only way to end a vlog. Tradition. Did you leave your lights on, Mal? Bro. Chevron, always. Just kidding. You guys look good. Blue raspberry, pina colada. How much?
Give it the shred.
Got my beef sticks. Beef sticks. Oh, heck of a day, guys. Wanna be like me.